Okay, hi guys, hello. Welcome you all to Learncrew and some exciting news for today is we had an overwhelming response for our previous set of videos, that is from Super 20 test series for IBPS Clerical. Now we are bringing you the new program which is for your IBPS Clerical Mains, IBPS PO Prelims, Mains and also for your RRB. So do not waste any further. You won't get this kind of content anywhere on the YouTube. So please do subscribe to the channel. And in case if you are planning to start with preparation for your banking SSC or for your railways, do look no further. We are having an exclusive program designed for you people to crack the exam much more conveniently with a rigorous study pattern. So do stay subscribed and follow us for more details. Enquiry form is given below. Please fill it up. Our team will give you a call back and we will reach out to you. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, welcome to the new series of your IBPS PO Prelims 2024 mock test quiz program. In this Super 20 mock test series program for IBPS PO Prelims, we are going to get all the 20 most important mock tests. So from today we are starting this series, and remember, if you can follow this series for the coming 20 days, definitely you are going to crack the exam of your IBPS prelims in this year itself. So be very clear in each and every question, understanding, and as well as the trick which we are going to discuss. Okay, and let us start today's session. Let us start today's session. The first paper, that is reasoning section, we are starting, and in this, the first 5 questions are based on a puzzle given. 9 persons F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N are working in a company in different designations: CEO, MD, HR, manager, marketing manager, assistant manager, supervisor, TL and trainee, where CEO is the senior most designation and trainee is the junior most designation. Okay, so only 4 persons are designated between K and G. So please see here. See the designations here: CEO, MD, HR, manager, marketing manager, assistant manager, supervisor, TL and trainee. TL and then next is what? Trainee. Next is trainee. Okay. So we have 9 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 and 9. Now please see what is given. Only 4 persons are designated between K and G. Between K and G we have only 4 persons. G, who is junior assistant manager? Who is junior assistant manager? Who is assistant manager? G is the assistant manager. Yes or no? G is the assistant manager. Who is junior to assistant manager? Junior to assistant manager is who? Supervisor. So it is G. It is G. Okay. Next. As many persons, if it is G, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to be K. It has to be K. As many persons are senior to K and junior to I. So I would be here. I would be here. Okay. Next. L who is junior to N. L who is junior to N and 3 persons senior to I. And 3 persons L who is junior to N and 3 persons senior to I. And 3 persons are senior to I. Please see here, L is 3 persons senior to I. G 1, second one, and then third one. So L would be marketing manager. L would be marketing manager. Now, as many persons designated between L and F as between F and H. Between L and F, how many people are there? The same number of people are there between F and H. So L and F. If F is here, H is here, then my statement is satisfied. Between L and F, I have one. Between F and H also, I have one. J is senior to M. J is senior to M. So here I will get J. J is senior to M, but junior to N. Junior to N. So J is senior to M, but junior to N, who is not working in the senior-most position. So J is senior to M. So I can take J here. J is senior to M and junior to N. Now everything is satisfied. So as many persons designated between H and J as between whom? Between H and J you have K, F and L, 4 persons. So 4 persons are there. Is it between F and G, M and J, N and L, K and G? Already is given that there are 4 persons between K and G. 4 persons. So answer is K and G. K and G. Now next question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the given arrangement and thus form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? So if you see here FL. F is senior to L. JM. So if you see here, J is senior to M. Third person, LM. L is senior to M. Fourth one, FH. So is F senior to H? No, H is senior to F. So it is different. It is different. So in all the other 4 options, the first person is senior to second person. Who among the following person is designated as marketing manager? Already we have completed. The marketing manager is L. The marketing manager is L. Next, who among the following person is 3 persons senior to I? 3 persons senior to I. Who is that? 3 persons senior to I. The one who is 2 persons junior to F, which is nothing but L, right? Next, 5th one. Which of the following statement is false with respect to the final arrangement? 3 persons are designated between M and J. Between M and J, you have only 2 persons. So first one is wrong. First one is wrong. What about second one? As many persons senior to F. There are 2 persons senior to F and junior to G. It is correct. It is correct. So A and B option is not possible. So answer is only A. Only A. Next. Question number 6 to 10. Question number 6 to 10. Please see here. AC. One more puzzle you have. Box puzzle. AC, FH, KP, RT, VZ are kept one above the other in a stack, but not necessarily in the same order. Only 2 boxes are kept between boxes A and C. Box H is kept 2 boxes above box C. Only 3 boxes are kept between box H and V, which is not kept adjacent to box A. So V and A are not adjacent. only one box is kept between box B and D. Box Z is kept immediately below box T. Number of boxes kept between box C and Z is one more than number of boxes kept between P and A. Only two boxes are kept between box R and box K. K, which is kept above box P. K is above box P. Okay, not more than three boxes are kept between box F and box R. Please see here. Now here, totally how many boxes are there? 10 boxes. Totally we have 10 boxes here. Box 1, box 2, like this. Box 3, box 4, box 5, box 6, box 7, box 8, box 9, box 10. And here it is given C. Only two boxes are kept between box A and box C. Between box A and box C, there are only two boxes. Box H is kept two boxes. Box H is kept two boxes above box C. Only two boxes are kept between A and C. A and C. Only two boxes are kept between box H is kept two boxes above box C. So thereby it would be H. Next, only three boxes are kept between H and V. H and V. Only two boxes are kept between H and V. V can be above or here in the below to H also. Okay. Only three boxes are kept between H and V. 1, 2, 3. Let me say is V. Next, V which is not kept H and V which is not kept adjacent to box A. Adjacent to box A. Satisfied V is not adjacent to box A. Only one box is kept between V and D. Only one box is kept between V and T. Between V and T there is only one box. Box Z is kept immediately below box T. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So everything is now I think satisfied. Am I correct or not? So am I correct or not? 1, 2, 3. Once again see. Once again see here only two boxes are kept between A and C. Okay. Then H is two boxes above C. H is two boxes above C. Next, only three boxes are kept between H and V. Three boxes are kept between H and V. Satisfied. Only one box is kept between V and T. Satisfied. Box Z is kept immediately below box T. Number of boxes kept between box C and Z. Box C and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes is one more than number of boxes kept between P and A. P and A. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it has to be P. It has to be P. Above V you must have P. Next, between P and A. P and A. Now only two boxes are kept between R and K. Between R and K there are two boxes. Only two boxes are kept between R and K, which is kept above box P. K is above box P. K is above box P. So between R and K you have two boxes. If it is R, it would be K. Total 10 boxes. Total 10 boxes. So now this is the arrangement I got. K, A, H, R, C, P, V. Now who is the remaining one? F, T, Z. This is the arrangement. How many boxes are kept between box K and the box which is fourth from top? The box K and the fourth from top. K is the topmost. K is the topmost. So fourth is R. So two boxes. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Next, question number 7. Which of the following box is kept two boxes above box F? two boxes above box F, you have the box which is kept two boxes below box R. Seventh one, answer is C. Then eighth one, four of the following are right, which is different. So A, R, if you see here, between A and R, there is only one box, that is H. Between P and F, there is only one box V. Between F and Z, there is only one box T. Between K and H, there is only one box A. Whereas R and T, between R and T, this logic is not satisfied. So it is different. As many boxes kept above V as below. Above V, you have how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 boxes are below. Which one? 6 boxes are below which box? Box R. Box R. Question number 10. Which of the following statement is true with respect to the final arrangement? Only one box is below box T. Yes, it is true. And what about next one? Box P and C are not kept adjacent. P and C are adjacent actually, so it is wrong. Box K is kept immediately above A. K is immediately above A, it is correct. 1 and 3 are correct. 1 and 3 are correct. Option C is correct. Next, one more data we have based on blood relations. T is the maternal grandmother of yes. T is the maternal grandmother of yes. And has one son and one daughter. So T is the maternal grandmother. T is the maternal grandmother and somebody is grandfather. So has one son and one daughter. One son and one daughter. U is the sister of V. U is the sister of V. U is the sister of V. Can I get like this? And the mother of S. And the mother of yes. U is the sister of F and is the mother of S. Mother of yes. Next, T is the mother-in-law of R. 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 So R minus. Next, who is a female and does not have any siblings. W is the son-in-law of P. W is the son-in-law of P. W is the son-in-law of P. Satisfied? And brother-in-law of V. Brother-in-law of V. Satisfied? Q is the nephew of U. Q is the nephew of U means U's sibling's son is Q. Okay? Next, Q is the nephew of U and grandson of X. And grandson of X. Q is the grandson of X. So R and V are married. R and V are married. So V's father is anyhow P, V's mother is T. So here he is given X is the father-in-law of V. X is the father-in-law of V. So X is the father-in-law of V. Q is the nephew of U and grandson of X is satisfied. Now H gender is not known. Now these are the things which we have arranged. Now how many females are there in the family? Cannot be determined because gender of S is not known. Gender of S is not known. So question number 11, answer E is the correct answer. Next, how is the wife of V? The wife of V is R. How is R related to P's daughter? P's daughter is V. So what is the answer here? How is wife of V? Wife of V is R. So R related to P's daughter. R related to P's daughter U. So R related to P's daughter U. What is the answer, sister-in-law? if y is the wife of x, if y is the wife of x, who among the following is the son-in-law of y? If y is the wife of x means is the mother of r, right? So following son-in-law, who is the son-in-law of y? Son-in-law of y would be v here, because v is married to r. R's mother will be y then. Okay, next. Question number 14. If in the word vocabulary all the consonants are arranged first as per the alphabetical order, from the left followed by all the vowels arranged as per the alphabetical order, then how many letters will remain unchanged? How many letters will unchanged? Let me write in the alphabetical order. B, C, L, R, S and no. What do I get? B, C, L, R, V, Y, A, O, U. This is what I am going to get. Okay? When the consonants are arranged first as per the alphabetical order, from the left followed by all the vowels as per the alphabetical order. So this is going to be the order. Okay? Then how many of those words, those letters will remain in the same position? I think it is only A. Only A. Only one. Only one. 14th question is over, right? 15th. 15th one. So please see the question is based on slots. Some buttons are clips. Only a few clips are bang. Only a few clips are bang. See here, some buttons are clips. Only a few clips are bang. No band is rubber. No band is rubber. No intersection. Some rubber are synthetic. Some rubber are synthetic. All synthetic can be clips. All synthetic can be clips. Possibility. All synthetic can be clips. Is it true or not? Okay. So send the following statement. Calculation logically follows. So answer is first one is correct. What about second? No button is rubber. No button is rubber. No button is rubber. No button. This is band. No button is rubber. You cannot say. There is a possibility that rubber can be button. So answer is only one. Answer is only one. 51 only one. 61. Only a few iPhones are tabbed. Only a few iPhones are tabbed. Only a few iPhones are tabbed. All iPhones are mobile. All iPhones are mobile. All iPhones are mobile. Okay. No tab is laptop. No tab is laptop. All laptops are PC. All laptops are PC. So tab and laptop have no intersection. Now first one, all PCs cannot be mobile. All PCs cannot be mobile is wrong. Is wrong. Next, some iPhones are not PC. Some iPhones are not PC is also wrong. Some laptops are mobile. Some laptops are mobiles is a possibility. Some laptops are mobiles is a possibility. Is a possibility. So answer is only 3. Answer is only 3. Okay? Only 3 is the answer. Next, 17th question. If in the given number 56259847 the even digits are increased by 1 and the odd digits are decreased by 2, then what is the sum of the digits which are 4th from left and 5th from right? So when the given arrangement is done, then what will happen? 3 7 3 3 7 9 5 7 5. Now what is asked now? Sum of 3 and 7. Sum of 3 and 7 is how much actually? 10. So answer is 10. Answer is 10. Next. Question number 18 to 20. A person from point D walks towards west. A person from point D walks towards west for 12 minutes. For 12 minutes to reach point E. To reach point E. Then he walks towards south from point E for 10 meters to reach point F. To reach point F. 10 meters. Where he takes left turn. Where he takes left turn and walks 8 meters. And walks 8 meters to reach point H. He again walks 5 meters after taking a right turn. So right turn 5 meters to reach point L. To reach point L. Again he turns to right and walks 13 meters. This is 8 more 5. This is 13. 13 to reach point O. To reach point O. And what is given? He then takes 20 meters after taking a right turn to reach a point O and reaches point M. Point M. So it is 5, it is 10, 15. So above this more 5. Above this more 5. It is 5, it is 10, it is 5. Total 20, this is M. This is M. He finally stops at point M, which is 5 meters to the east of M. So this is the east of M, which is N. Which is N. Now 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way, which is different. Which is different. So if you see here, please see OE, FD, ME, OF, LE. The first point is to the southwest of the second point. So if you see option A, option B, option D, option E, the first point is the southwest of second point. So O is the southwest of E. O is the southwest of E, like that. F is the southwest of D. F is the southwest of D. But O is the southwest of F. L is southwest of D. It is not satisfying. So this is different. Next. Point X is 8 meters east to point of N. Point N. Point X. Then what is the question? The distance between M and X is equal to which of the following points? So between M and X, what would be the distance? Between M and X, the distance would be how much? Point X is 8 meters. Please see here. This is 8 meters, right? So point X is here. Now what is the answer? The distance between M and X is equal to which of the following points? ED, OM minus EF, FH, LH, FH plus HL. So what is the answer here? Question number 19. The answer is here FH plus HL. FH plus HL. What is the shortest distance between N and D? What is the shortest distance between N and D? What is the shortest distance between N and D? Please see here. We have D here, we have N here. So if you see here, it is 5, it is 12. So it is root over 12 square plus 5 square. Root over 12 square plus 5 square, which is 13. Next, who among the following person sits second to the left of the, so it is again one more data, see. 21, 25. 7 persons JK, LM and OP are sitting in a linear row facing north direction. Facing north direction. 7 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All are facing north. They are working for different organizations. Different organizations given. Only 2 persons in between period N who works in L&D. Who works in L&D. So N works in L&D. Either of them sits at one of the extremities. One of the extremities. I am taking for example N here. N is L&D. And it is given that only 2 persons sit between P and thereby you will have P here. You will have P here. K sits immediate right of P. K sits immediate right of P. K would be here. The one who works for HUL sits 3 places away from K. So 1, 2, 3. So here you will get HUL. This is the option. J and the one who is from HUL sit adjacent to each other. J and the one who is from HUL. So it can be J, it can be J. Any of these two can be J. Let me take E as J for example. Okay, at least 2 persons in between sit to the left of J. Left of J. So J cannot be here. Who doesn't work in BOI? This is not BOI. Only 2 persons sit between the one who works in SBI and the one who works in BOI. But neither of them sits at the extremities. Both are not extremities. But 2 persons are sitting between them. Thereby, it is given that J is not working in BOI, so it is SBI and it is BOI. It is BOI. Next, M sits to the right of O. M sits to the right of O. So, M sits to the right of O. It can be M, it can be O. The one who works in ESIC, immediate left of M. Immediate left of M. So immediate left of M is ESIC. So immediate left of M is ESIC. Satisfied? Next, M sits to the right of O. M sits to the right of O. So one of these two is O. The one who works over, only 2 persons sits between the one who works in LIC and L. L who sits to the left of O. So it is given that L sits to the left of O, and it is also given that what is given? Only 2 persons sit between the one who works in LIC, the one who works in LIC and L who sits to the left of O. LIC and L, LIC and L, there are only 2 persons. This is LIC, this is LIC. And what is the only company remaining here? RIL. RIL. Who among the following persons sits second to the left of the one who works in ESIC? Second to the left of the one who? J. J means, what is the answer here? J means the one who works in SBI. The one who works in SBI, option C. Next. M works in which of the following organizations? BOI, already we calculated. Right, next. Who among the following persons sits at the extreme end of the row? It is L. L is 1 and N. L and N. L and N. So what is the answer? L and N. L and N. Who among the following persons sits at the extreme end of the row? L and N. So N is the answer. Am I correct? 23. The one who works in RL is also correct. So answer is both A and C. Both A and C. L is working in RL and the other person is N. How many persons sitting between the one who works in HUL and M? Between HUL and M, you have 3 persons JPK. JPK. 24. B. 25. Who among the following persons sits adjacent to the one who works in RL? It is O. It is O who is working in HUL. Now 26 to 30. 8 persons PQ, RST, UVW are sitting around a circular table in such a way that some are facing towards center while some are facing outside center. So it is 8 persons circular arrangement. 8 persons circular arrangement given. S6 third to right of T who is not facing Q. T is not facing Q. Both S and T face same direction. One person sits between T and U who is not sitting at Z to S. P sits immediate right of U. W and R are facing each other. As many W and R are facing each other. W and R are facing each other. W and R are facing each other. Okay. As many persons sits between U and Q as between Q and V. Who sits adjacent to R? Who sits adjacent to R? Who is the adjacent to R? V here. Both V and P face opposite direction of W. Both V and P face the opposite direction of W. Who sits immediate right of Q? W is the immediate right of Q. W is the immediate right of Q. W is the immediate right of Q. If I take Q as facing towards center, W is the immediate right of Q is satisfied. Right? Now it is given that both V and P face the opposite direction of W. Both V and P face W and R are facing each other. Facing each other. W and R are facing each other like this. W and R are facing each other like this. Next what we have? We have S6 third to the right of T, and V and P face opposite direction of W. W is facing towards center. So V and P face outside center. And it is given that P6 the immediate right of U. Only one person sits between T and U. S6 third to the right of T. Who is not facing Q. Both S and T face same direction. One person sits between T and U who is not adjacent to S. P6 immediate right of U. W and R are facing each other, and right V who sits adjacent to R. I am taking V here. Okay, and V and P. V here. Now what we have? As many persons sits between U and Q as between Q and V. Between Q and V I have one person. So between U and Q also I will have one person. So you would be here. And next one we have W who sits immediate right of Q. W is the immediate right of Q, satisfied. And one person sits between T and U. So it has to be T. Next U who is not sitting adjacent to S. So S is not here. S will be here. The remaining person is P here. And V and P face opposite direction of W. So P is also facing outside. Now what is given here? S6 third to right of T. S6 third to right of T. S6 third to right of T means T is facing outside. Satisfied. Now both S and T face same direction. So S also faces outside. One person sits between T and U who is not adjacent to S. P6 immediate right of U. P6 immediate right of U means U has to face outside. U has to face outside. Now everything is arranged. If all the persons are facing opposite direction of the actual direction, then who sits to the right of the one who sits immediate left of W? So the answer would be V. The answer would be V. V is the answer. Next question 27. Who among the following person sits third to the left of R? Third to the left of R, it is the one who sits immediate right of S. Immediate right of S, that is Q. Okay, next. Four of the following are alike, which is different. So if you see the options U, S, Q, U, S, Q, T, all the persons are facing away from center except R. Except R, because R is facing towards center. R is facing towards center. These are facing outside. So hence option D is different. In which are the following options? The person is sitting exactly between the first and second person. Okay. Third person is sitting between first and second person. So 29th question answer is here Q, U, W. Q, U, W. W is sitting between Q and U. So option C is correct. Question number 30. If all persons are made to sit in alphabetical order from P in clockwise direction, then how many persons remain in the same place excluding P? Excluding P. So when they are arranged in the clockwise direction in the alphabetical order, so P, Q, R, so how many will not change? How many will not change? Only here R will not change, R other will change. Only R's will not change. So answer is only one. Answer is only one. Now 31 to 33. Please see. P, Q, R, S, T, you sold different number of bikes, but not necessarily in the same order. Only two persons sold more bikes than P. Only two persons sold. Yes or no? Sorry, what is given? Only two persons sold more bikes than P. More bikes than P. So more than P, you have only two persons. Only two persons. Q sold less bikes than P. Q sold less bikes than P, and yes, Q sold less bikes than P and S. P and yes. So thereby Q sold less bikes than P and S. P and yes. Q sold less bikes than P and S. S sold 4 bikes, which is 1/3 of the person. 1/3 of the person who sold the highest number of bikes. U sold less bikes than R. U sold less bikes than R. U sold 5 bikes more than S. You sold 5 bikes more than S. As many persons sold less bikes than R, more as many persons sold less bikes than R, as more bikes than T. So from this what you can say, R is 12. R is 12, which is highest. R is 12. S, then you will get P greater than. Yes. S is 4. S is 4, and you will get U as how much? Next to U, you will get U as 9. U as 9, and after that you will get Q and T. Okay. So R, first R 12, U 9, P we don't know, S 4, and here Q, then T, then T. This is the final arrangement. If S and P together sold 9 bikes, if S and P together sold 9 bikes, Then what is the difference between the bikes sold by R and P? R is already 12. When S and P is 9, you will get P as 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7 is the answer. Next, question number 32. Who sold least number of bikes? Here least number of bikes is T. Next, difference between the bikes sold by U and Q. U and Q is 6. U and Q is 6. U is 9. So Q would be 3. U is 9. Thereby Q would be 3. Then what may be the bikes sold by U and T together? U and T together. U and T together. So what is the answer here? 33rd question. So how much it will be? If Q is 3, Q is 3, what is sum of U and T? It is given that as many persons sold less bikes than R as more bikes than T. So T would be at least 2. T would be 2. T would be 2 in this case. So 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 would be how much you are going to get? The value would be 11. The value would be 11. So 33rd question, answer will be 11. 34th one, inequalities. So between L and Q the relation is asked. Between L and Q if you see less than, between L and Q, LH, LHW, L is less than H is equal to W, W is equal to Q, W is equal to Q. So what you can say, you can finally say what? First one is not correct. First one is not correct. L less than or equal to Q is wrong because L less than H is correct. Next, L less than Q, L less than or equal to nahi aayega. Between I and P, what will you get? You will get I greater than P. I greater than P is the given thing. Is it correct? Between I and P, where you have I greater than X, I greater than or equal to X, and where you have connectivity of X here, I greater than or equal to X, greater than or equal to Q, greater than or equal to Q. So please see here where we have L less than H is equal to W greater than P, greater than P. Between I and P relation, I greater than or equal to X, I greater than or equal to X, greater than or equal to Q, and is equal to W is greater than or equal to P, greater than or equal to P. So I can say here please understand here, I greater than or equal to X, I greater than or equal to X, greater than or equal to Q, is equal to W greater than or equal to P. So you can say I greater than or equal to P is the conclusion, but only greater is there. So it is wrong. It is wrong. S greater than S greater than or equal to H. S greater than or equal to H. So how do you go from S to H? S greater equal to Q. S greater than equal to Q, and Q. So how to go from S to H? So I will go like this. See here, H is equal to W, H is equal to W, W is equal to Q, Q less than or equal to S. So I can say H less than or equal to S, therefore S greater than or equal to H is correct. So third one is correct. Only conclusion 3. Only conclusion 3 is true. 34th one, only 3 option C. Now the last question in today's IBPS PO prelims first papers, last question. So what is the inequality? Which conclusion is true? S and N. Between S and N, ST by K, M and N, OP. So JK NL. So first one, what you will get? S less than T is equal to Y. is equal to y, is less than or equal to k, is greater than n, k greater than n, less than greater than. So S and n, the relationship can't be established. M greater or equal to p. So you have here m greater or equal to n greater than o greater or equal to p, o greater or equal to p. So m greater or equal to p is wrong because here you have m greater than p. M greater than p is a conversion, greater or equal to one come, and then L and y. So here L is less than or equal to n is less than k, k greater or equal to y. So you have less than greater than both inequalities, thereby the relationship can't be established. Can't be established. So none is true. None is true. None is true. So option is 4. So in this way, like we have completed today's 35 questions in our IBPS PO prelims mock test reasoning questions. So remember guys, if you can follow these mock tests for 20 days, it is sure that you are going to clear your prelims with very good score. So practice all these questions, 100% you are going to clear the prelims. So we'll again meet in our next video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much once again.
Okay. Hope you all loved the video and we added some value to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel firstly. And if you are looking to join for the banking program or for SSC or for the RRB, so do go further. You have the option of an online class, offline class, or even hybrid mode, or even the recorded classes. Whichever is your easy mode of access, please do join for that. And how to join, the details, everything is given below in the description. You can go back and check it out. And our Learncrew app is available both on Play Store as well as on App Store. Check it out and download it and have a complete subscription.